to the Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Cue the intro. So today's video is a temporary DIY. That's right, you heard me correctly. I bought this Lazy Susan about a year ago from Big Lots. I love the Lazy Susan part. However, farmhouse is just not my current aesthetic. So I thought about purchasing a new one, and then I thought it's cheaper to keep her. So I went into, my stash, and I found this contact paper, which I used on my office desk, and thought, voila, just change it up, but not permanently, temporarily, because at any time I can always add more contact paper in a variety of colors to match my current aesthetic or decor. So I flipped it over and started to pull and to try to smooth it out. But no go. My contact paper kept pleating. So I flipped it back over and thought, just cut it around with a pair of scissors. And that's what I did. And voila, this is my no-cost Lazy Susan upgrade. I'd like to take this opportunity to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. I see you and I thank you for becoming a part of my YouTube family. And if this is your first time joining the channel, go right ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Price is Pearl Life. I'm almost to 600 subscribers. That's right, the big 600. And I'm so super excited. Also, I'd like to announce that August is my birthday month. Woohoo to me. And in honor of my birthday, it's always better to give than to receive. So if you're one of my loyal subscribers and you share my birthday month, I have something special for you. I will be selecting 3, that's right, 1, 2, 3 of my loyal subscribers to send you a birthday gift from me to you. So make sure, leave down in the comments below your name and the day that you were born. And I'm looking forward to select someone to select 3 people, and I will be sending you a birthday gift. Again, to be eligible for my August birthday giveaways, you must be a loyal and active subscriber of my channel. You must be 18 years or older. You must be a U.S. citizen. And you must be born in the month of August. So thanks for stopping by one more time at the Johnson Ranch, and I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Thanks again for watching on today, and more importantly, thanks for watching until the end of the video and giving me a big thumbs up. That's how my channel grows. That's how you help my videos to be pushed out to more YouTube viewers and hopefully more YouTube subscribers. So I thank you. It's hot out here in these YouTube streets, and all subscribers are certainly appreciated.